Is it the right time to buy or sell PayPal stock? In today's video, we'll be taking a deep dive into PayPal. We initially released a report on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024, and now we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies around the world today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 13, 2023, our system has identified PayPal as a buy candidate with a score of 1.72. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't met expectations and has experienced a loss of -0.44% so far. In other words, on average, it has been losing -0.03% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further growth. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected 13.3% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 2.61% and 16.73%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted -27.64% change in the stock's value over the next year. This suggests a potential return between -47.80% and -23.28%. In other words, the stock price could range from $32.08 to $47.15 after 12 months. Our latest update on PayPal reveals exciting news. PayPal stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the PayPal stock price experienced a modest gain of 0.0814%, moving from $61.41 to $61.46. Throughout the day, the stock showed some fluctuations, ranging from a low of $60.43 to a high of $62.16, with a 2.86% difference. It's worth noting that in the past 10 days, the stock has shown positive growth in 7 out of 10 instances, resulting in a 0.33% increase over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 15 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $935.72 million. It's important to consider that a decline in volume accompanied by rising prices may indicate a future change in the market. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $88.63, while the lowest price dipped to $50.25. As of now, the current price is 30.65% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $27.17. Furthermore, it is 80.18% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on July 26, 2021, when the price peaked at $310.16, reflecting a discrepancy of $248.70. Let's talk about some recent analyst ratings for PayPal Holdings Incorporated, PYPL. On Friday, October 13, 2023, Bank of America Securities gave PayPal a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, August 3, 2023, Susquehanna gave PayPal a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, Canaccord Genuity also gave PayPal a buy grade with a hold action. Let's go back to Wednesday, August 2, 2023, when Morgan Stanley gave PayPal an overweight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler gave PayPal a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given PayPal stock a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as neutral. Today, we will be discussing the signals for PayPal stock. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -2.57%. This indicates a potential further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some positive signals, which could influence the near short-term development. The PayPal stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, providing a positive forecast. On further gains, the stock may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $62.16. Conversely, on a decline, the stock may find support from the long-term average at approximately $59.17. A break above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. It is important to note that volume fell during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to closely monitor the stock. Today, let's take a look at some interesting signals in the stock market. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 33 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. The short moving average has given a buy signal 42 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 9 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for PayPal. PayPal has found support from accumulated volume at $61.26. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it is likely that an upward reaction will occur when the support is being tested. When it comes to daily movements, this stock experiences average volatility. With good trading volume, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be medium. In the previous day, the stock had a price range of $1.73, representing a movement of 2.86% between its highest and lowest points. Over the course of the last week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 2.07%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for PayPal, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One of the key measurements is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio might suggest a lack of confidence in the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential opportunity for investors. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 8th, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.37. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's delve into the potential day trading levels for PayPal. In the case of an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for PayPal, which stands at $61.73. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. PayPal encounters its first support level at $61.26. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, with a potential rebound in sight. According to multiple analyst sources, PayPal has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On December 20, 2023, Gil Michel bought 109,136 shares of restricted stock units -1. On December 20, 2023, Gil Michel purchased 34,924 shares of restricted stock units -2. On December 20, 2023, Keller Frank bought 0 shares of common stock. On December 20, 2023, Keller Frank conducted an insider buy of 1,586 shares of restricted stock units -1. On December 20, 2023, Keller Frank purchased 3,835 shares of restricted stock units -2. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 61.340. Overall, insiders have bought 1,115,222 shares and sold 257,207 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $58.89, which represents a decrease of 4.18%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Recently, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 2 days ago. Is PayPal stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several negative signals/indicators that may impact its short-term development over the next few days or even weeks. However, we believe that over time, today's level presents a potential buying opportunity, and the price is likely to increase during or by the end of this 3-month period. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate for this stock. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 3rd, we anticipate that PayPal will open lower by $0.110 and begin trading at $61.35. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading involves a high risk of losing money. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? Let's dive in.